Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into today's word, alien. This is a C1 level adjective that means strange or foreign. It's often used to describe something that feels unfamiliar or very different from what we know or expect. Let's take a closer look at how alien is used in everyday language. Imagine stepping into a culture that's completely different from your own. You might describe the customs, the food, or the traditions as alien because they're unfamiliar to you. For example, you could say, "The idea of eating insects felt completely alien to me at first." It's not something you're used to, so it seems foreign or unusual. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like strange, unfamiliar, and foreign share similar meanings with alien. For instance, the landscape was so strange that it felt like another planet. Or, the accents in that region were completely unfamiliar to her. Another example might be, his behavior seemed foreign to the values of our community. Each of these words can be used in situations where something feels unusual or outside your norm. On the other hand, there are antonyms that express the opposite meaning. Words like familiar, ordinary, and normal contrast with alien. For example, the scenery was familiar and reminded me of home. Or, she enjoyed the ordinary routine of her daily life. Another sentence could be, this tradition feels completely normal to us because we grew up with it. These words are great when describing things that feel comfortable or typical. In daily conversations, alien can pop up in some interesting contexts. For example, someone might say, "The rules of the game were so alien to me that I couldn't follow along." Or, "Living in a new country at first felt alien, but over time I adjusted." It's a versatile word that you can use to describe everything from emotions to situations to environments. Let me give you a few more sentence examples. The technology they used seemed completely alien to us. She found the idea of working from home to be quite alien, but now she loves it. The atmosphere of the place was so alien that I felt like I was on another planet. These sentences show how you can incorporate this word into your vocabulary with ease. That's it for today's word, alien. Let's quickly recap. It's a C1 level adjective that means strange or foreign. We explored synonyms like strange, unfamiliar, and foreign, and antonyms like familiar, ordinary, and normal. We also saw how this word can be used in everyday conversations to describe something unfamiliar or unusual. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. I'd love to hear from you. So here's a challenge. Create your own sentence using alien and share it in the comments. I'll see you next time for another deep dive into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.